Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, yay. How y'all doing or whatever, kings and queens? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like my video quality, especially on this good fine Thursday, is giving what it needs to give, okay? Baby, I am loving okay? I'm loving it. So anyways, guys, as you guys can see, we are doing a cash count of my cash envelopes, okay? We about to see how much money your girl has left. How much money your girl has left. Oh, that's what we about to do, okay? So if you do enjoy content about budgeting, you know, cash stuffing, finding out what your money is doing, okay? Because make it work for you and make it work hard, girl, sir. Make it work hard. So if you do enjoy the content here on this channel, or you feeling the vibes, or you feeling the energy, or you feeling budgeting 101, baby, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you're feeling, okay? Because I'm feeling it, okay? I am feeling it. Anyways, without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, y'all, so this is my spreadsheet of my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. And baby, let me just side note, y'all, outside is acting up. There is like a storm situation going on, and baby, it is going off, okay? When I tell you it's going off outside, I don't know who got mad, but he going off outside. So if you do see the lights go off and baby, this candle is the only thing that's on, just know it ain't here for aesthetic purposes only, okay? Just so y'all know. Just so y'all know. It's not only for aesthetic purposes only. But anyways, we gonna start off with our cash envelopes and count this money because I'm really excited to see how much I got, okay? Are you excited to see how much I got? Because I'm excited to see. You don't have as much energy as me, baby. We can guarantee on that. Okay. But anyways, let's count up this money to confirm how much we got. We're gonna start off with groceries. Okay, so we're gonna push the baby to the side. Okay, she's still in the picture. Yes, she is. So we're gonna push her to the side. For groceries, we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 41 and 42. Okay, groceries, you better come through with, y'all know outside is acting up. So groceries have $42 to start off April with. I ain't even gonna be mad at it, child. I'm not even gonna be mad at it. So $42 is currently in groceries, and I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I did not track groceries, so I don't know how much I actually spent on it, but I know this is about right, child. All that was happening, it's about right. Anyways, gas is next. I'm doing this thing where I'm not tracking my allowance spending, but everything else, you know, I track those. And groceries, this is like a side note situation. I figured I had groceries money on me, but I didn't have another cash envelope, aka fine wine, and I wanted to sell a rosé, and so I used groceries money. And here we are. So boom, bada bang. Anyways, so next is gas, and gas has child, wait a minute now. Wait a minute. I told y'all outside was acting up and y'all thought I was joking, okay? Somebody made the man upstairs mad, and I need y'all to calm down, okay? Calm down. Anyways, gas has $10, $11, and $12. Y'all gonna get all this rain talking, this thunderstorming, all of this in this video. Like I said, if you see the lights go flick flick bloop bloop and this still on, we gonna continue the video. I know that's right. Oh, let me check. Oh, my bad, y'all. I forgot about my mini-me over here. So my mini-me has nothing in groceries in this one, but of course, like I say, she got money in the front. She got money in this groceries. Y'all, I just felt my house shake, bitch. I felt it on my knee. It felt like a mini earthquake, bitch, for 2 seconds. Oh, it is, ooh, child. The ghetto. Outside is tired of it too. I guess outside is tired of it too, girl. It's tired. Truth is I'm tired. I ain't even facts. Okay, anyways, allowance has $1, $2, $3 left over, which is surprising, bitch. Surprising, because you know we don't keep these monies in, we don't keep counts. What the hell counts? I was gonna say we don't keep bitch, I can't even talk. We don't keep coins. Child. We don't keep coins in allowance, but apparently we're keeping these $3, so it's okay. Y'all, look at back to bank. You see how thick she is? I never went back to the bank. Child, listen, I'm gonna keep track. I'm gonna let y'all know what's happening. I'm gonna let y'all know about it in my monthly overview, rewind, or whatever we want to call it. Give y'all the teases, but yeah. Fine wine has $0 because I bought me some Stella Rose, and girl, I bought me some Mike's. Wine coolers are like the little 6-pack, bitch. They taste so good, so I bought me some of those. It's about to be popping again because I just saw lightning. Next is hair care, and let's see how much hair care has. So hair care has $15, which is cute. We like that. Okay, we're gonna put her back in here, and I'm gonna actually start going through these cash envelopes and stop this talking too much, because bitch, that's how we stay here forever. Next is household, and household has $20, $30, $35, $40, $45, $46, $47, and $48. So $48 is in household. Okay, next is toiletries. Toiletries has $20, $25, $30, $35, $36, $37, $38, and $39 in toiletries. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I said $39 in toiletries, right? I updated my candle, bitch. You know I used to have the small one or whatever. I updated her and I changed her to the Bath & Body Works Fennel scent. Ooh, she cute. Fennel. I changed her to the Fennel scent, and so she's popping, girl. And I ain't gonna lie, my nose is sensitive, and this candle is smelling up my damn house, but I ain't even gonna blow it out because I love it. I love the scent. I love what it's doing for the house, and I'm gonna keep it going. Sure will. So toiletries was $39. Support a Friend has $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 in there. So we're gonna put 18 for Support a Friend. And then last but not least, in the cash envelope category, we have YouTube, which has $20 and $30. I haven't bought anything in regards to YouTube. That is so surprising, girl. That is so, yes, especially for me, because I be finding a reason to spend these money. I really do. Just give me, say A and I say B, bitch, and that's how I spend money. Nothing is in back to bank because it's all in the mini portion, right? Okay. Anyways, that is our cash envelopes. Next, I'm going to do our sinking funds. I ain't even gonna waste your time, child. We just gonna flip. Boom. That was the little transition. That was a transition. Okay. And then we gonna count up and type in our sinking funds. So for my home decor cash envelope, I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 525, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 610, 620, 25, 26, and 27. So I have 627. What am I gonna do with this? I'm no longer trying to buy my big dining room set. Girl, what I'm trying to do is decorate my house now. The dining room set can come later. Bitch, I have a sofa. And I have a coffee table. They're gonna be fine. Whoever comes to my house gonna be fine. They don't need no dining table. Anyways, next is travel, and travel has 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So travel has 384 in it. You put that back and write down 384. Okay, car maintenance. She got 1,000. She got 1,000, 20, 40, and 50. So she has $1,050. And I may need to use car maintenance because I gotta do some stuff on my car. So yeah, child, she may drop the $1,000. Be finger crossing that she don't have to, but you know how outside is. You know how outside is. Okay, next is my birthday. Come on now. And in my birthday, we have 20, 40, and $50. Okay. And then in my family's birthday, I have 100, 2, 3, 350, 360, 61, 62, 63, and 64. I have 364 in my family's B-Day. Okay, moving on to fun times. Fun times has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and $30. Okay, and that's what I'm doing outside activities, child. So $30 for fun times, and hopefully I can do some outside activities soon. Okay, nothing is in business, so we're gonna move on. That's so sad, so sad. Next is Juneteenth, and Juneteenth has a single 10, which it's okay, as long as we have something. We're gonna support one of y'all little small businesses now. So Juneteenth, business had 0, Juneteenth had 10. Clothing, I think, girl, I've been supposed to spend this money to buy some certain stuff, and I still haven't. Has $100 to $300 because I took it out for something specific now, and I just haven't gone to the store. Y'all, if y'all believe it, the most clothes I wear is my military uniform and mind my business. Those are the most clothes I wear. My military uniform and mind my business. They serious. There's some good outfits. They're comfortable too. So yeah. Or maybe I'm just used to them at this point. But especially that mind your business, she hits different. Everybody likes her. I'm so dumb. Anyways, next we have Christmas. We're gonna count Christmas. So Christmas has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. Okay, and then we coming down to our last sinking fund. Our last sinking fund is Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving has a total of 100, 200, and 250. So Thanksgiving has 250. Okay, all right. So that is everything that is in my cash envelope binder. So now, of course, we are going to calculate, okay? Make sure what we have is what we need and what we got, because shit, ain't no more money. So for sinking funds, my initial total, I'm gonna calculate it all up. Okay, so for sinking funds, we are ending the month, aka starting our new month, with a balance of $3,865. Okay, that is very cute. We like her. Very cute. We like her. Now we're gonna go over to my cash envelopes and we're gonna count those up. Okay, and so my cash envelopes is starting the month, the new month, ending the old month with a balance of $107. Damn, $117. You would never thought, but you know what? They're in the area that they needs to be, and that's what it is. Okay, because fine wine was definitely used, allowance was definitely used, and gas is definitely taking on money. So I'm lucky to even have $12. Hair care is gonna stay the same because your girl ain't got no hair right now, okay? She bald hair hoe shit. And then household and toiletries, I already got none because I got deodorant, so I'm good. And I got laundry detergent, so I smell good too. You thought? And then support a friend whenever I come decide to support another one of my fellow individuals. Girl, I put a YouTube. Wait a damn minute, bitch. And YouTube had like $30. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Back up. Who am I? Let me check. Y'all couldn't have told me. And y'all see me calculating everything. Yes, YouTube had $30. Let me put her back in here. YouTube had $30 and I forgot to calculate her. I think it's now like 207. I'm trying to find my white y'all, because I don't think we can really finagle this one. Yes, found it. Okay, so this plus 30 is 207. So let's do that. There we go. 207. Okay, so for the month, what we're ending with is 207, and that's what we're taking into the new month. Ooh, child. 4 cash envelopes. So in total, all the cash that I'm bringing between cash envelopes and sinking funds is 207 plus $3,865, which comes up to a total of $4,072. That is what I'm ending my month with, which is a cute number, bitch. I ain't never really calculated or paid attention to it, but now I am, and that is a cute number, and we loves it. Okay, so that is the end of my video, guys. That is all of my money, because baby got bank. That is all of my money. Count it up just to see how much we got, and I'm feeling it. Okay, I am definitely also tired, baby. It is 10 o'clock at night. I've been up since like 4 in the morning. Okay, so what is that? 12 plus 6 is what, 18 hours, child. It's time to go to bed, but I gotta edit this video so I can see tomorrow, because you know what, energy. Okay, energy. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessing. I ain't say that in the minces. Okay, and for your advice or your motivation of this video, even when you tired, still go, baby. I just told you I've been up for 18 hours. Okay, even when you're tired, still keep going. Still keep going. So we don't get tired. As my guy Kevin said, we don't get tired. So baby, quote, come through. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And my name is Anique, N-A-K. I will see you in the next one. I said I will see you in the next one. I said I will see. I will see. I will see you in the next one. If you think I'm like crazy on the regular, this is how I am when I'm tired. Can you imagine? Anyways, bye guys.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.